Welcome to our guide on cleaning and re-energizing your crystals. Crystals are not only beautiful, but also powerful tools for enhancing energy and promoting healing. But to ensure your crystals are working at their best, it's essential to regularly cleanse and re-energize them. There are various methods you can use to cleanse your crystals. You can rinse them under running water, smudge them with sage, or leave them in sunlight or moonlight to absorb natural energies. Once cleansed, it's time to re-energize your crystals. You can do this by placing them on a windowsill to soak up sunlight or moonlight, or by using other energy sources like selenite or clear quartz. Another effective method is to place your crystals on a selenite charging plate overnight. Selenite has natural cleansing and charging properties that can revitalize your crystals. By regularly cleansing and re-energizing your crystals, you can ensure they remain powerful allies on your spiritual journey. Try these techniques and feel the renewed energy of your crystal collection.